In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana. First, open Asana and sign in to your account. Once you're in, take a moment to look around. You'll land in your workspace, which is the overall area where your projects live. Think of the workspace as your digital office. Inside it, you'll organize your work into projects. And within each project, you'll create tasks. Tasks are the individual pieces of work you want to track. When a task is complex, you can break it down further with subtasks so nothing gets missed. Now, let's create a project for your work or personal tasks. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you always know what belongs there. This could be something like marketing launch or home renovation. A well-named project makes it much easier to search, share, and stay aligned later. With your project set up, start adding tasks. Each task should have a clear, action-oriented name like Draft Q2 Report or Book Venue. Short and specific titles help you and your collaborators see at a glance what needs to happen next. If a task has multiple parts, add subtasks to capture those smaller steps, keeping everything in one place. Next, enrich your tasks so they're actionable. Add due dates to set expectations and keep momentum. Assign each task to the person responsible. One clear owner prevents confusion and ensures accountability. Use comments to add context, ask for clarification, or record quick updates as the work progresses. If you have relevant files, documents, images, or spreadsheets, attach them directly to the task so the right information is always at your fingertips without searching across tools. As you begin managing the work, switch between Asana's different views to match your style and needs. The list view is great for detailed, linear work where you want to scan tasks quickly and sort or filter them. The board view shows tasks as cards in columns, making it easy to visualize stages like to do, in progress, and done, and to drag tasks forward as they advance. The calendar view places tasks on a calendar by due date, helping you spot busy days, balance workload, and avoid bottlenecks. Use whichever view helps you and your team see the plan most clearly. You can change views at any time without losing data. That's it. You've signed in, learned the core building blocks, created a project, added clear tasks, enriched them with owners, dates, comments, and files, and explored list, board, and calendar views to stay on track.